Learning the United States. Brought to you by Little Kids Heart of Learning.
Hi kids, it's so great to see you. Are you ready to learn something new today? Wonderful! It's a perfect day to learn the 50 United States. Why is it important to learn this? Does anyone know? It's great to think and give answers too. Very good. There are several reasons why it's important to learn about the United States, which are communication, understanding the world, understanding the country's history, values, roles, and its uniqueness. Also, it helps to know the country's government, laws, and citizen responsibilities. Now, let's begin naming the 50 states. Alabama, Alaska, Arizona, Arkansas, California, Colorado, Connecticut, Delaware, Florida, Georgia, Hawaii, Idaho, Illinois, Indiana, Iowa, Kansas, Kentucky, Louisiana, Maine, Maryland, Massachusetts, Mississippi, Minnesota, Michigan, Missouri, Montana, Nebraska, Nevada, New Hampshire, New Jersey, New Mexico, New York, North Carolina, North Dakota, Ohio, Oklahoma, Oregon, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, South Carolina, South Dakota, Tennessee, Texas, Utah, Vermont, Virginia, Washington, West Virginia, Wisconsin, Wyoming. Well, that's the end. You were awesome. Thank you for learning the 50 United States with me. Don't forget, like, share, and subscribe to Little Kids Heart of Learning. If you want to see more videos like these, we have so much more to teach you. Until next time, keep learning and being great.